How do you get people to flock toward your business? Use a lead magnet. And how do you create a high converting lead magnet? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a lead magnet for your online business that your audience is going to find highly valuable. So let's start bringing people into your business. And if you're new here, my name is Chad from Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools, and resources for you to start and grow a successful online business. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some guidance on how you can create a compelling lead magnet that will drive more email signups to your list more frequently. So everything covered here is from my personal experiences and lessons I've learned from being in the online business space over the past 3 years. And a good place to start is probably by first defining what exactly a lead is. So a lead is anyone who has shown interest in your business and who you can contact directly, whether it's through mobile, through email, however, as long as you can contact that person directly, they count as a lead. And a lead magnet is a free offer providing valuable content to your prospect in exchange for their name and their email address or their mobile number, or again, however you want to be able to contact them.
Here's my personal pager number.
Simply asking people to join or to subscribe to your email list without offering anything of value is going to be of little to no use. So your lead magnet needs to be something that you think offers them massive value, because not only will then that make them be okay with exchanging their contact information with you in order to get the thing, but it also helps you create a positive first impression. And a very important note is that it is virtually impossible to even start creating your lead magnet without knowing exactly who your audience is. So you want to be super clear on who exactly the people are that your business is serving and what problems and challenges they might be facing, because if you don't know that, how will you know what you're actually solving? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your lead magnet to address specific needs and challenges that they might be having. And there has been a previous video that I've uploaded to the channel that walks you through exactly how to define your audience. So I will link that down in the show notes underneath this video, and you can check that out if you want after this one. So when you really boil it down, the flow looks something like this. Someone sees your content and is interested in your business and in getting your lead magnet. So they sign up, they exchange their contact information, they get the lead magnet. At the same time, they are added to your email list. Once they go through your lead magnet and get massive value from it, one of a few things are going to happen. They'll either book a call with your sales team or with you if you don't have a sales team, or they'll be led to a web page where they can purchase your product directly online. And the third thing is that they are not going to buy immediately. And that's okay, because at the beginning, when they received or signed up for your lead magnet, they went into your email list, which means that your marketing emails can continue to move them along the sales process. So can you see that this entire thing starts with having a good lead magnet? A few examples of lead magnets are quizzes, checklists, downloadable ebooks, video trainings, YouTube video content, and in some cases, even a free course can be used as a lead magnet. There are more types, but these are just to give you a good jumping off point. And a good example of using an entire course as a lead magnet is the free beginner's course on affiliate marketing that I have linked underneath this video down in the show notes. So you can check that out, you can sign up for it. It never hurts to learn more. Now personally, I don't use downloadable ebooks as a lead magnet. I'm not the biggest fan, because from my experience, what I found was that a lot of people will download the free ebook, but majority of them will never bother to open or read it. So that then begs the question, is it of any value to them? And the answer is no, which means that they are unengaged from the moment they join your email list. And you want people in your email list who are engaged. Engaged audience. That's the keyword. The type of lead magnet that I found to work best is any type of valuable video content, whether it is a downloadable video training or something that is uploaded to YouTube. So how do you create a lead magnet that will bring the masses to your online business? When you know who your audience is, what problems they're facing, and what problem your lead magnet is going to solve, you want to make sure that your lead magnet hits the 3 points of what I like to call the lead magnet trifecta. High value, easy to consume, and low cost or effort to distribute. High value, is this something that will actually help them? Easy to consume, put yourself in your customer's shoes. If you were to receive and go through your own lead magnet, would you find it to be too long, too complicated, or not engaging enough?
It's too much! It's too much!
Low cost or effort to distribute. Remember that you are giving your lead magnet away in bulk. So you want to make sure that you keep any costs, if any, your time, your energy to distribute your lead magnet as close to zero as possible. Now there are 4 ways that you can increase the value of your lead magnet. The first is to solve an immediate minor problem and then future pace them. Let them know what problems they will be facing in the future now that this minor problem has been solved, and then sell your product as the solution. The second way is to diagnose a problem. So educate them on an unknown problem and offer an immediate fix. For example, someone may think that their business has a sales problem, but your lead magnet shows them that they are way off with who their target audience is, or they just don't have a target audience. So no matter how great their product is, they're simply just speaking out to the wrong people, which means that's not why they're getting the sales. You can also give the what and then sell the how. So provide information on what needs to be done and then offer your product as the solution. And this is not to gatekeep any information, it's simply to avoid confusion or overwhelm. If I was just starting my online business and I received a lead magnet that went into every single detail all at once, I have no doubt that I would be very confused, and I just see it as complicated, and chances are I'll just give up on it. I probably think that it's too complicated or too intimidating, which means that the lead magnet missed one of the points in the trifecta, which is easy to consume. And finally, you can give away a free sample or offer a taste of your product or your service. This works great because it's the same thing as taking a car for a test drive before actually buying it. So your audience will be able to experience your product firsthand and become more familiar with it, making them more likely to become a buying customer. It's the same thing as when a software company offers you a 7-day or 14-day or 30-day free trial to use their product. And once this is all said and done and you've created your first or your new and improved lead magnet, something to think about is that value is subjective, which means that you might think that you are giving away something that is highly valuable to your audience, but the person on the receiving end doesn't think the same. So it's a good idea to reach out to people after they've received your lead magnet and ask them for feedback. Ask them how their experience was with it and what they thought after going through, i.e., did it actually help them? And then use that feedback to make any necessary improvements. So is it clearer now why you don't want to overlook your lead magnet? Because if you have a bad lead magnet, it's virtually impossible to sell anything. And I'm curious to know, what type of lead magnet are you going to be using? Drop it in the comments, let me know. And if you found this video useful, valuable, and informative, I would highly appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions about what was covered in this video, drop them down in the comments. And remember to hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded to the channel. Remember to stay bold, stay driven, stay unstoppable. I'll see you in the next video.